Let us solve for x. Given 4 raised to power x divided by 10 is equal to 6. The given equation is 4 raised to power x divided by 10 is equal to 6. At this point, you may cross multiply or you multiply 10 to both sides of this equation. Now, if you multiply 10 to both sides of this equation, we have 10 multiplied by 4 raised to power x divided by 10 is equal to 6 multiplied by 10. This cancel this. 4 raised to power s is equal to 6 multiplied by 10, that is 60. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. We have log 4 raised to power s is equal to log 60. If you have log m raised to power n is equal to n log m, then we have x log 4 is equal to log 60. This can be written as, if you divide the whole of this equation by log 4, we have s log 4 divided by log 4 is equal to log 60 divided by log 4. This log 4 cancels this log 4. S is equal to log 60 divided by log 4. But 60 is equal to 15 multiplied by 4. Then x is equal to log 15 multiplied by 4 divided by log 4. This can be written as, if you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. So this is log 15 plus log 4 divided by log 4. S is equal to, if you split this, you have log 15 divided by log 4 plus log 4 divided by log 4. This cancel this. S is equal to 1 plus log 15 can be written as log 3 multiplied by 5 divided by this log 4 can be written as log 2 square. This can be written as 1 plus log 3 plus log 5 divided by this log 2 square can be written as 2 log 2. S is equal to 1 plus log 3 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 5 divided by 2 log 2. S is equal to 1 plus, here we have log 3 base 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 plus log 5 base 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. Now here we have the SCM is 2. This is over 1. 1 into 2 times 1, 2. S is equal to 2 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 divided by 2. This is the value of x. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, the given equation is 4 raised to power s divided by 10 is equal to 6. 4 raised to power 2 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 divided by 2 must be equal to 6, and this is over 10. 4 can be written as 2 square to the power of 2 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 divided by 2, then divided by 10 must be equal to 6. This cancel this. Numerator is 2 square multiplied by 2 log 3 base 2 multiplied by 2 log 5 base 2 divided by 10 must be equal to 6. 2 square, that is 4. 4 multiplied by the whole of this is, if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. So is 3 multiplied by the whole of this is 5 divided by 10 must be equal to 6. Now here, 5 here 1, 5 here 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. We have 2 multiplied by 3 must be equal to 6, and of course 2 multiplied by 3, this is 6, is equal to 6, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please comment and subscribe. If you have any better method, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.